Three, two, one.
What's up, gang? It's a boy, and welcome back to the New Money Wave FX group. So, gang, you all know that I said that I'm not gonna take some trades. I'm just gonna back test January, the whole of month of January. I'm just gonna back test because of January, guys. We all know that most of the companies are opening up, like the market is trying to adjust and all that. But as I've been back testing my strategy that I've been learning for the 3 months that I took a break off YouTube, like I've seen a huge progress, guys. Like I've seen a huge progress. Even though that I haven't been trading and all that, I've been testing and all that, taking some demo trades here and there. I don't want to lie with you guys now, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I've been practicing for. It's the strategy that I took 3 months of learning. It's the strategy that I took 3 months of, like full 90 days learning, bruh. Learning. So let me get on right back to it. I'm just gonna show you my laptop. Like I finished, I'll just show you on my laptop, then do what I gotta do. So guys, we are in gear 30. Remember, there's no currency pairs, ne? This is not forex. This is gear 30, gear 40. But in your progress, it might be the return gear 30. So with gear 30, here's my entry point. What I had to do, I had to identify my buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. And what price did with that, price decided to take out sell side liquidity first and pushed above this high, which gave us a bullish market structure shift. After giving us a bullish market structure shift, guys, I knew I had to look for a fair value gap, which is this gap that I found here. Then I placed my fair value gap over here yesterday. This is yesterday's trades, guys. This is yesterday's back testing, So I knew I had to look for a fair value gap, and then the first entry point triggered over here. The first entry point triggered. Then I thought, you know what, the market's gonna shoot up, but I was lying to myself. The market came back for a re-entry point, to get its strength in order for it to continue in pushing up. And TP eventually hit. I can just show you. TP eventually hit, guys. TP eventually hit. So I'm gonna go to US30. With the US30, it was plain and simple also, like the back testing of it. It was plain and simple for US30. So with US30, what I did, same thing. Buy side liquidity. I identified my buy side liquidity yesterday around 2 o'clock South African time. I identified my buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity, which is this one, and sell side liquidity, which sell side liquidity got taken out, and price, what did price do? Price decided, you know what, I'm just going to trade above these highs, previous highs. It traded above these previous highs over here. It traded above. Guys, I was going to do my screen record from my laptop to show you guys, but unfortunately I don't have a mic with me, so that my fan interferes with my laptop fan, so I cannot record through the screen record of my laptop. Here's my screen record. I cannot record with that yet at the moment because I need to go fetch my mic, my studio mic, So as I was saying, it took out this high and gave us a bullish momentum and gave us a fair value gap over there. So I knew I had to look for fair value gap, but this high wasn't the ideal high for me. The ideal high for me was this one, So as soon as it broke this previous high, I knew we'll go to, you know what, let me take this one of mine, my bullish market structure tool, and place it over here. What do you guys see? It is taken out. After being taken out, I had to look for an FVG, which I found an FVG over here. And my stop loss, I had to place my rectangular tool and identified it as my bullish market structure shift. And my stop loss, I just had to place it below the third candle that started the FVG, which is 1, 2, 3, and which is the one over here. Do you guys see that? Which is this one that started the fair value gap. So guys, the back testing, it's quite going well. I don't want to lie to you guys. The back testing is quite going well. Like, I'm just gonna do, this is the last month of back testing for me. January is the last month of me backtesting this, and we are gonna go. And let me show you guys now with OD USD. That's why I hate currency pairs. Currency pairs never respect setup like that. Currency pairs don't respect setup like that quietly. So with OD USD, what I identified, sell side liquidity, which is this one. Sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity, which is this one. You know, I identified them both. So since I checked the time, I saw that it was 12th January on a Sunday. So this high was not the ideal high for me. I had to look for a recent high that the market formed, which was this one over here, which is, check the dates, Monday 13th January 2025. So the time was 15 minutes past 3 a.m. in the morning US time. So I knew this high was the most recent high that the market created for me, and it went down. And I identified, and I checked previously also. This low was my previous low, since it was an invalid low for me, but I was gonna use it as a take profit if either way which one of those taken out. So I identified this one as my sell side liquidity, and I see sell side liquidity never got taken out. You guys see, sell side liquidity never got taken out, buy side liquidity got taken out. As buy side liquidity got taken out of this trade, buy side liquidity got taken out of this trade, I knew what I had to do. Now, you know what? Let me just clear the charts. Buy side got taken out. We have a low over here. We have a 5 minutes low that I need to show you guys. We have a 5 minutes low that I want to show you guys, that I identified as my bearish market structure shift, because of it was taken out by this candle over here, and we have a fair value gap, 15 minutes fair value gap, and a 5 minutes fair value gap. So price decided to take out this low and went back into our fair value gap. Since we went back in our fair value gap, son, I thought everything was gonna go smoothly. I don't want to lie with you guys. I thought everything was gonna go smoothly, but currency pair ODUSD had a different tone for me. It came back down, making me think, okay, now we got to shoot down, and went back into the FEG. Hassan, you know what? Decided to just hit my stop loss. As soon as it hit my stop loss, so I had to find for more reasons on why this trade didn't work out. I found a fair value gap over here. So this fair value gap overpowered the bigger fair value gap. It happens in the market, guys. It happens. This fair value gap over here overpowered this bigger fair value gap. So it continued with its bullish. It continued buying and buying. So currently today, which this was yesterday's setup, currently today, I'm just gonna let the market be. Then 2 o'clock South African time, I start preparing again for the charts. You know, I start preparing again for the charts, South African time. That's all for today. But let me show you GBP/USD, guys. Whew. The last one. No, this is the currency pair respected my setup. This currency pair respected setup. I don't want to lie with you guys. This was the best currency pair actually. I love trading GBP/USD and EUR/USD because like these motherfuckers respect setup and all that. So with GBP/USD, what I did, buy side liquidity identified, sell side liquidity identified, sell side liquidity got taken out, and price impulsively went towards the upper side and took out this previous high, which became a bullish market structure shift, which became which became a bullish market structure shift. Do you guys see that? It became a bullish market structure shift. So, since it became a bullish market structure shift, what I had to do is that I knew I had to look for a fair value gap over here. So I switched on 5 minutes time frame. I went to my 5 minutes time frame to show you a fair value gap that I chose an entry form. I chose this fair value gap over here as the ideal entry point. I chose this fair value gap over here. And I ain't gonna lie with you guys, this fair value gap I did not see. This one. This one I did not see. I don't wanna lie with you guys. There was no fair value gap over here. So I thought, you know what, currency pairs again, stop loss was gonna hit. Unfortunately, stop loss didn't hit. Price just came to this fair value gap and retraced back upwards. And when bullish, stop loss almost hit here yesterday. I don't wanna lie with you guys. Stop loss almost hit here yesterday. I thought stop losses was gonna hit, but nope, it did not hit. So I took this rectangle tool of mine and I placed it over here, and I went to my template, identified bullish. I identified that that fair value gap, and I saw price came back, took that strength from that fair value gap and continued. I was with my friend Valdo yesterday and he took these trades. You know, he took them trades and we went bullishly, nicely, take profit hit. And you can check on my TikTok again, guys. On my TikTok, I'm posting these setups, guys. I'm posting this backtesting setup, showing you guys how am I doing this shit this side. It's all like to show you guys like from my bottomness how I'm starting up. And guys, again, I don't need nothing from you guys. I don't need nothing from the public, you know. This is all from the charts. And guys, just know that I need nothing from you guys actually. I need nothing from you guys besides for a like and subscribe. I don't need your fans. I don't contact people regarding trading. I don't do investments. I do none of those because I don't have a license for those things that you guys get from these mentors of you guys. I don't sell signals. I don't contact people for investments. I do nothing, guys. I only do me, myself, guys. I study. If you want to learn Forex, go to YouTube, bruh. Go to ICT's YouTube channel. You'll learn everything from Forex, guys. If you're a beginner, search beginner stuff. But like for intermediate traders who want to learn strategies, go to ICT. His YouTube channel and do the 2022 mentorship model or do the 2016 model. You learn all the 2024 model is too advanced. So begin from where he shows he's teaching you about the chart and how to read chart price action, which is the 2022 model and the 2016 model. So from me to you guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, man, let's grow this channel, bro. Let me show you guys how I'm doing this shit. From my bottom, bro. My room, Mkukuam, my mother's house, that side. You know, I built this room and I'm using this room as an office and decided to give him space like painting Buffett. So this is me. I want to learn this shit. I decided to learn this shit on my own. I had no mentor, bruh. I tried getting a mentor, but South African mentors are gag. Those niggas cannot even trade. Most of them, 50%, 90% of them. Only 10% can trade of these South African mentors. Some of them, bruh, they cannot even trade. What they do and what they did was buy and sell signals. That's all. That's how they make their living. And some of them used brokers, bruh. Used brokers. And promoting brokers. That's how they made their fucking funds. And if they want to come for me, they can come for me, but fuck them. Anyways, back to my community that I'm building. Guys, there are links where you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and you can even check, guys. The mentors that the people that I'm following are people that I'm just viewing as inspirations that I see. Okay, these ones don't actually do kind of martial stuff, but I'm just viewing them as inspiration, you know. But otherwise, for the lifestyle and all this shit, I'm not putting my mindset onto that, guys, because of like it's gonna fuck one up. So what you gotta do, put in the actual work, study. Like, it's been 4 years of me studying Forex. I've seen progress here and there, but every single time I'll go back, I'll fall down, back to where I started because of my ignorances. So I'm fixing those ignorances right now. When you see me up, just know I put in the work. This shit, I put in the work. And again, please, man, I don't sell signals. I don't do currency, what, I don't do courses. I don't do nothing. I just do me. So if some of you guys are getting scammed or cloned, just know it is not me. I do not do that kind of stuff. And everything that I have, it's in my name. My fucking name, my name only. So it's a boy Anati. This is my journey, guys. Welcome to my journey. Let's go to this journey together. Shout out, signing out.